everywhere. The whole world is white. Best day ever!
Someone sounds excited this morning.
Mom, can we go play in the snow?
Please, please, please.
Did someone say snow day? I'll make hot chocolate.
After breakfast, sweetie. First, let's get you dressed warmly. Pancakes on a snow day are the best tradition.
Extra marshmallows for everyone.
Careful with that hot chocolate.
These are perfect.
To a perfect snow day. These are amazing, Mom.
The snow looks perfect for building. Who wants to make a snowman after breakfast?
Me! I do!
Arms up, sweetie. Layers are important to stay warm. There we go. Now you can see where you're going.
Don't forget, your jacket needs to be zipped all the way up.
There we go, all bundled up and ready for the snow. Are you excited?
Yeah!
This will keep your neck nice and toasty, dear.
Everyone ready? Let's go make some snow memories!
Whoa! It's so deep!
Look at him go! Just like we used to do.
I'm catching them! They taste like cold!
First, we pack the snow tight like this. Wanna try?
Like this, Dad?
I've got the middle section ready.
This one's a bit heavier than I thought.
I made the head all by myself. Perfect nose placement.
There! Now he can wave hello!
And now he can see us.
I wonder if someone's ready for a snowball fight.
Oh, it's O-N now. Ready or
Oh, you think you're fast enough?
Team up with me, sweetie. You can't get me. Take this.
Oh, really? Missed me.
Here comes another one, Mom.
Okay, okay. Truce. I surrender.
That's our boy. Always diving right in.
Can we go sledding on that hill? Please?
This was my sled when I was your age.
We're almost at the top. Just gotta keep going.
I can't wait to slide down. Wow, it looks higher from up here.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. G-O!
Woohoo! That was incredible!
Best run ever, buddy.
Again! Can we go again?
Almost home, buddy. That was a long day.
Yeah, but it was fun.
Welcome back, Snow Warriors. I have hot chocolate ready.
I'm freezing.
Extra marshmallows, just the way you like it.
Best snow day ever. I'm gonna keep... Can we do it again tomorrow?